guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be changing up the look of the rear end of the 240. We just got some parts in, so we're going to go ahead and unbox them. So even though I do like the look of the Zenki taillights, I do prefer the Koki ones over them. And since we couldn't find any decently priced OEM ones around us, we went ahead and got the next best thing, which is going to be the D-Max style lights. I ordered them off Amazon, so it got here super quick. So let's go ahead and see what they look like.
Wow, well, those are nice.
They are nice. Look at this.
Wow.
Oh.
It's gonna look so sick. Don't drop them now.
That was sick. Oh, they look so nice.
Do not drop them. Look, the other one is gonna fall.
Here's the other side.
So the good thing about these is that they're new. So like it's black, you know. So if you get a Koki tail lights, a lot of them are faded over time. So if you're if you buy them, you're gonna notice that they're like purple or like faded black. With these, since they're new, everything about it just looks brand new. It's gonna make this car look really old because of the paint. Okay, so yeah, so Christine's gonna go ahead and start working on this. It's just a bunch of 10s. Okay guys, so if you pop open your trunk, you take a look on the inside, there's gonna be a bunch of 10s in here. You're gonna see them. It's not gonna be this one here. You're gonna wanna look for the ones that are gonna be along the edges. The easiest way to tell which bolts or where the bolts are gonna be is to look at your replacement piece. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. So there should be about 4 bolts, at least 4 bolts. Put this here so we won't scratch them.
I think they're smaller than 10s.
They're probably 8s then. Now another thing to note is there's also sealant in here. So even after you remove the bolts, it still might be a little bit harder to remove just because of the sealant that's holding on the tail light, so that way water doesn't leak into the trunk. There's a clip in there, so you have to pop it out. Just pull it out. I would stick like a
screwdriver?
Yeah, and just pop it. There should be a flat head around here somewhere. Right there. On the ground. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. On the ground. No, on the bottom. Oh, you broke it. Okay, put that on the side.
Take these off?
Yeah, you gotta take off the little covers. That's how you know it's fresh. Pop that sucker on.
Ready?
Ready. Yeah, you're gonna put it in that thing and then snap it back on. Make sure it's lined up. That thing. Yep. You just broke it. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Did you?
No.
I know. Okay. Make sure your things line up and then snap it. Don't just pound it. This was stuck in the hole. That's why I wouldn't go flush.
What is that?
It was part of the tail light that got broken off. Why is it like that?
Because I can't see.
Got it? Dun dun dun. Yeah, that looks sick.
It looks so nice.
Don't latch it. Yeah.
Why?
No, because I don't want to have to walk through there to go open the trunk.
Oh.
Oh, but that looks sick.
It looked like a brand new car.
So when you come in the trunk, there's gonna be these 2 clips here. I already took one out, the bottom one out. You pretty much just loosen it like that. See how it pops up? And then you can pull it out, or you can just pull the rug and it'll pop right out. Then you can pull this section out just like this. To the back side of your tail light. Just like that. This is pretty much self-explanatory. You unplug this light and then you undo the 8mm all the way around. Twist the light and it'll come out. Okay, so once you get all the bolts out, this is the hard part because it has this glue on it.
Don't want to scratch the paint.
What do you mean? The paint's bad already. We're gonna repaint it. Yeah, so just pry it because we're gonna repaint this car If your car has good paint, then don't do this. There's all that glue. Dum, dum, dum.
Right?
Yep, just put it in. Bolt it up. Keep doing, Kaylee. The filming on this is actually really good. Alright, so that's one side. Put all this back nicely. This is the way I do it. I flip this inside out.
No, like I was telling you. There's no puka.
Oh, maybe you don't need to put these. Forgot. I don't know. I didn't forget, but I never had these toilets before. You can just seal that, tape it off or something. So we got one side down. Christine's gonna do this side. Okay, ready? Turn the parking lights on. Wow. Ah, the battery's dead. Sure, do the reverse lights. Turn the key on, but don't start it. Turn the reverse lights on. Ooh. Okay, parking lights. Ooh, brake lights. Ooh. Okay, they work. So we actually purchased this from one of those like JDM stores in San Francisco that they were closing down. It's actually in Japantown. I don't know really what the name is called. I forget. But they're closing down, and they had this for like a really cheap deal. I think it was like a couple bucks or so. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was like $3.
It was like $3. So we picked them up. It's footwell lights pretty much. So we're gonna open it and see what it comes with.
I got these before we got the 240.
Yeah. If you keep your dashless colors the same color as your dash.
You think that's too much pink?
I mean, you're a girl. It would be too much pink if it was a guy, I feel like. Okay, so we got 2 strips. I think this is the off and on button, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter. I think what we'll do is do you think your cigarette lighter works? I mean, you turn it on?
I was like, oh, this cigarette light, and then
Okay,
like this,
so
and then it was hot when I touched it.
Christine's the kind of girl who touches the stove when it's on. Okay, so plug these in, and then let's go plug it in the car and see if it turns on.
Okay, this is my 240.
240 problems. It's actually not a 240 problem. The head unit that we were installing.
Oh, it's a head unit problem.
Yeah, it doesn't work. They sent us a broken one, so we have to get that changed out. It's in the back seat somewhere. Oh, typical girl car, huh?
Oh, chill. That's just the sun liner.
You know what this looks like?
What?
This looks like ejectocito, cuz.
Ejectocito, cuz! It worked! I love this button!
No! Cigarette lighter doesn't work.
That's alright. We'll probably go ahead and wire these up on our own anyway. So do you want them to be on when you turn the car on? Like even during the day it's on? Like it's just footwell lights, kind of like the Lexus? Or do you want it to be like you turn them on when you want them on?
I mean, if they want to stay on, it's fine.
Let's ask the lights. What do you want to do? What do you want to stay on?
No, like, it doesn't matter to me. Whatever, it's fine. You stupid.
No, because if you want them on, the connections are only a power and a ground. So we'll just connect them together, and then we'll put them to the accessory, like whatever comes on with the accessory power, and like one of the wires in there. We could hook them up the parking light, so that way when you have the parking lights on, these come on as well, you know, so they're not on during the day.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Yeah, I think that sounds good.
Careful, baby.
Is this like how you
This girl's gonna crack my fenders. So we have to figure out which wire back here gets power when we turn a parking light on, so that way we can jump it for power for this. Okay, so I guess Christina is testing them out in the Z to see if they even work.
Ready?
Show me.
Look at this. Try that.
Oh yeah, they don't really even
Don't
make light.
even make light.
Okay, yeah, we won't install those. Those are junk.
These suck. Let's take the ones out of here.
No, I'm touching my lights. My lights are the best lights. I'm gonna wire them up differently. Well, you could have these ones. I'm gonna put different ones.
I'm gonna take this too.
What?
I'm gonna take this.
The steering wheel?
Yeah.
No, you have your own steering wheel.
Well, it's hard to take stuff in your car.
I know. Get out of my car, both of you guys, right now.
Me?
Alright guys, so the tail lights are on and it looks so good. It makes the car look really nice. The only thing is that it makes the paint look really old. The paint is just really old and faded. We're not too sure what color we're gonna paint it just yet. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys haven't caught your jet tags yet, make sure you guys do so in the description below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.